Welcome to chapter in my series on common English errors. In this chapter, we'll focus on the correct position of adverbs, a small but crucial part of grammar. Placing an adverb incorrectly can change the meaning of a sentence or make it sound awkward. Let's look at the correct usage with clear examples. Adverbs are used to modify verbs, adjectives, or even other adverbs. But if placed wrongly, they may confuse the reader or distort your intended meaning. Let's examine how to place them properly. Adverbs like always, never, and often go before the main verb. But if the verb is to be, the adverb comes after. For example, he always helps but he is always kind. When using modals like should, might, or can, insert the adverb after the modal. Say you should always try, not you always should try. Adverbs that describe how something is done, like he clearly, loudly, politely, usually come after the verb or object. Adverbs of time like yesterday or soon and place like here or there usually appear at the end. Starting with them is acceptable for emphasis but not standard. Never split a verb phrase by placing the adverb in the middle. Instead of has completely finished, say has finished completely. Let's quickly recap. Pay attention to word order depending on the adverb type. Mastering this makes your English more natural and grammatically precise. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad. Thank you for following along. In the next chapter, we'll cover the use of to and very, another area where learners often get confused. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.